What's up everyone? It's me, your Solitary John Valencia. Welcome back to True Leisure Diaries. Mega love shoutout mga ka-blooms! For today ay nirelease na nga ng BINI ang A Parallel World para sa movie na Forgotten Island dahil sila nga ang kakanta ng official theme song ng movie na ito na talaga namang Filipino representation from the story, the casting, and also the singers for the theme song. So I'm so excited to check this out. But before proceed, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Oh my gosh, A Parallel World by BINI. Ay, shala. Oh, recording music video. Official music video na ba to, guys? You can comment down below. Eh, oh my God, may jeepney, oh. Wow. Oh my God, ang ganda. Parang very dreamy yung dating. Ano pala siya? Parang lyric video pa lang, guys. Oh, Maloy. I love the soft tone, the dreamy sound of it. Tapos, nakita natin yung BINI pero very happy and chill lang, guys. Oh my God, ang ganda! Oh, ay, ang galing! Hey! Wow! Oh my God, may snap sila! Ito yung sa concert nila, guys. Diba? You and I ride the tide together. Pati lyrics, very Filipino. Dahil marami tayong beaches at magaganda ang waves. You and I can ride the tide together. At syempre nakita niyo yung mga, yung representation, the sun, diba? The 3 stars and the sun. Yung yung animation na magpapalit na magiging BINI. Parang sila din yung character that is so cute. Oh, may Tagalog! Oh my God, that's so cool! Oh. Oh my God, ang galing na meron siyang Filipino language at the same time. And then it's gonna be released worldwide. The movie is a Hollywood movie. So, sobrang gandang opportunity for Filipino representation, and of course to BINI as well, as they are a well-known global artist already. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda ng beat ng song, tas chill vibe, and happy hormone feels. Asan yung video na to, guys? Yung pinerform nila, hindi ko yan napanood, ah. Eh, ikaw? Oh, ikaw ang aking kasama. Oh my gosh! Nakakakilig na merong Filipino language, no? Sa isang Hollywood movie. Tapos, yung kumanta rin is Filipino. And the actors as well. I think Liza Soberano is one of the voice actor of the main character of this movie. Ito yung mga producer. Oh my God, napanood na nila? Charis. Ay, oo, parang napanood na nila. Ito yung sa trailer. Oh, ganda. So, I love the neon lights na very Gen Z. Oh, fall down and get up together. Ang cute! Aww. Wow. Ang ganda rin ng lyrics. Jollibee, charit. Chicken Joy. O, diba? May Chicken Joy, guys. May Jollibee. Uy, sino yung melody high notes? Oh. Ganda ng soft tone. Din rowing din sila. BRB. Oh, I love it! There you have it, guys. That is Beanie for a Parallel World para sa Forgotten Island movie, which is showing on September 25th. Oh my God, that is 2 days before my birthday. That is so exciting. And I think this is a world premiere on September 25th. So definitely, I'm gonna watch this as a birthday gift for myself. And grabe itong music na ito, na song ng Beanie, dahil sobrang nakaka-proud that I think are they the first like Filipino release or Filipino artist known to sing a Hollywood feature film. Kahit ito ay isang animated feature film, it's still Hollywood, guys. The actors, the voice actors, I think even the cartoonist or the one who did the story, the director, has a Filipino root. So, sobrang special to, especially to all the Filipinos worldwide, to have a representation in the main feature film in Hollywood. Plus, this theme song, ang ganda ng lyrics, ang ganda ng vibe. Very Gen Z, no? So, nakakatuwa that Beanie was chosen to be part of the list of songs for this Forgotten Island. I think SB19 also is included, and there's other Filipino artists like Lea Salonga. So I'm so excited to see those songs as well for Forgotten Islands. What can you say about this song, guys? You can comment down below. Let's discuss in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Lazy Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.